30-minute keto meals, quick and easy recipes for busy weeknights when you're following a keto lifestyle. Who says healthy eating has to take hours? Get dinner on the table fast, without breaking ketosis. Between work, family, and everything else life throws at you, finding time to cook a wholesome keto dinner can feel impossible. But the good news is you don't need hours in the kitchen to stay on track. With the right recipes and a little planning, you can whip up tasty, low-carb meals in just 30 minutes or less, perfect for those hectic weeknights. The ketogenic diet focuses on reducing carbs and increasing healthy fats to fuel your body differently. When your schedule is tight, it's tempting to grab something fast, but many convenience foods are packed with carbs that sabotage your progress. That's where quick keto meals come to the rescue. What makes a meal keto and quick at the same time? It's all about smart combinations. Lean proteins, healthy fats, and low-carb veggies are the stars. Think sautéed shrimp in garlic butter with zucchini noodles, or pan-seared chicken thighs with a creamy spinach sauce. These dishes deliver bold flavors, satisfying textures, and all the nutrients you need, without the prep overload. Keep your pantry and fridge stocked with keto staples, eggs, cheese, leafy greens, avocados, canned tuna or salmon, coconut milk, olive oil, and pre-chopped veggies. With these on hand, it's easier to throw something together that's both delicious and compliant. Craving something hearty? Try a quick ground beef taco bowl using lettuce as your base, topped with guacamole and sour cream. Need comfort food? A cheesy cauliflower skillet with bacon hits the spot. In the mood for seafood? Toss salmon fillets in lemon and herbs, roast for 20 minutes, and pair with sautéed asparagus. If you like batch cooking, you can make double portions and enjoy leftovers for lunch or dinner the next day. This not only saves time but ensures you're not reaching for non-keto snacks out of desperation. Don't forget sauces and seasonings. A dash of paprika, garlic powder, or a spoonful of pesto can completely transform a simple dish. And since fat is your friend on keto, don't shy away from drizzling olive oil or topping your meals with cheese or avocado. Eating keto shouldn't feel like a chore, even on your busiest days. With a few 30-minute recipes in your rotation, you can enjoy flavorful, nourishing meals that keep you energized, satisfied, and on track with your goals, without ever feeling rushed. What's your go-to 30-minute keto meal when time is tight? Share it with us, we're always hungry for new ideas.